Hello Jennifer and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to attract more, boost the traffic and attract more customers to your company and to your website. So let's start with your front page. I will be covering the content, the front page, the Google Business Profile, and something that we call backlinks. Let's start with the home page. I can see that you have the click to call button over here, the reasons why to choose you, also links to the different services that you provide, a brief intro of the company, and some testimonials over here. So in general terms, it's an easy to navigate homepage, but you could potentially add some links to your social media accounts. You could also have a directory of the website over here in the footer. You could also have the contact us form at the top and throw in a little bit more description of the services that you provide. Now, in terms of the amount of content that you have in your front page, you have 224 words. And if I have a look at Falcon Plumbing, for example, these guys have around 1,019 words. And if I have a look at Aqua Pro, these guys have 1,698 words. And these guys are ranking for top positions in the Google organic search. Now, in terms of the way the website is built, I also noticed that you are targeting Miami as a whole and don't have location pages. If we have a look at Falcon, these guys have these additional location pages, which actually help them and help this company better rank in those particular suburbs. So if anyone is performing a search in Coral Gables or in Doral area, and if you actually build those back pages correctly with the relevant content, Google is going to start finding their website in a more efficient and easy manner. So now let's go on to, so that's the content. So it's important to have a look at the content and just make sure that you have buyer intent keywords that we will look a little bit later in the video. So now I came here and I type in Plumber Miami, which is one of those buyer intent keywords. The first section is the Google Ads, and now Google introduced Google Guaranteed, which is really good at driving traffic and generating leads quickly. Now you have the Google Maps. This section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures. You also need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those in the Google Business Profile. They have to be an exact match so that Google can verify those details and you can rank at the top 3 positions. I, for example, noticed that your company and your Google Business Profile is not coming up when I search for Plumber Miami. So that's something that you would need to look at and just optimize that profile. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your competitors. I also noticed that you're already ranking in the first page of Google for Plumber Miami. So let's have a look at a tool that we use, because to rank here you need something that we call backlinks. So right now I use Ahrefs, and this tool shows me the backend of a website, and I can see that there are 435 external websites that are directing traffic towards your website through 2,120 links or backlinks. If I have a look at Falcon, these guys have 168, so less than what you have, external websites directing traffic towards your website. And if I have a look at Aqua Pro, they have 133 external websites directing traffic towards yours through 8,490 backlinks. So you're actually beating them out in terms of quantity, but it's not about quantity, but about the quality of those backlinks. So just make sure that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to your industry, so that you can signal to Google that you are regarded as an authority in that particular topic. So whenever a user performs a search that is related to your services, you can come up on top of your competitors. Now, your website is being found for 902 keywords, organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are, the search volume, and the position in which your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So I can already tell that you are ranking for quite a number of keywords, and you are between, so for some, you are ranking number first for your brand, which makes total sense, but you are ranking between the 5th and the 8th position. this is your best keyword. So Miami plumbers, you are on the second position for that particular keyword. Now, if I have a look at Falcon Plumbing, these guys are being found for 497 organic keywords. And I can see here that they are also appearing in the top positions for quite a number of buyer intent keywords. So they are able to drive a lot of traffic, because basically what this tool is saying to me is that there are 1,600 searches per month for plumbing in Miami. Because they are in the third position, they were able to drive a little bit over 10% of that traffic. Plumber Miami, third position, they were able to drive yeah, a little bit, yeah, under 10% of the traffic. So it's always a good idea to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volume, and because then a percentage, and yeah, percentage of those people that are searching for those particular keywords are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to call you, and then another percentage you're going to be able to convert into customers. So that's the importance of having a website that is correctly built, so that it actually helps you drive that traffic. So I really hope that you like this video. Please remember that you can increase the traffic by adding location pages to your website. You can also improve and optimize your Google business profile so that you can appear not only in your local area, but you can start appearing in other nearby search areas. And also have a look at that backlink profile. Just make sure that those backlinks are located in websites that are powerful and can pass on that power to you. So thank you for watching up to here. My name is Viviana. Please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye.